Who's my fat little baby? My fat Mila. Mila. Oh, my little baby. What's up, Mila? You love Daddy? Daddy loves you. My little kitty. You good baby? You being a good baby today? Yeah, shut up, I know. Oh, your toys suck. What do you want, fat? I don't even know why I call you fatty, because you're not even that fat. You're just a beautiful little girl. You're just a beautiful little girl. You need your exercise. What? What you bitching about? Daddy finally came home, I know. You missed Daddy. You got plenty of food. It's all over the floor. I know. Shut up. Can you pick you up again? Oh, Mila. You love your daddy? What? What? You want to go down? You want to go down? I can let you down. No problem, kitty. I know. You're a fatty. I like to rub stuff. Alright, peace out. Say peace out, kitty. Meow.